Here's my update about Freenbecky. They really deserve the Couple of the Year award because of how genuine they are. I really love Freenbecky for being true to themselves. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video is all about Freenbecky and this is my update about them. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Every little moment between them feels so genuine. You can't fake that kind of happiness. No matter what they're doing, they always seem to have the best time with each other. Goals? Every time they're together, you can feel the warmth. Freenbecky aren't just close, they understand each other on a deep level. This Kes shoot just proved once again Freen and Becky are a power duo. Elegance, charm, and chemistry all in one frame. Kes really knew what they were doing putting these two together. Freenbecky's energy is unmatched. Can we talk about how natural and intimate every Freenbecky photo looks in the Kes shoot? They're not acting, this is real.
Freenbeck เป็นแฟนกันน้องนิว
It's inevitable that others will tease them. They are frequently mistaken for being in a romantic relationship. I genuinely appreciate those who refer to them as a couple.
มีบ้านหลังหนึ่งมีหมาสัก2-3 ตัวมีเยอะมีหมาเยอะมีหมา10 ตัว10 ตัวไม่รู้อ่ะน่าจะมีหมาเยอะถ้าสมมติว่าถึงตอนนั้นจะมีเบบีเปล่าแล้วก็แบบถ้าไม่มีเบบีก็มีหมาแต่งงานหรือยังตอนนั้นแต่งจนเหลือแล้วนะมั้ง
Freenbecky talking about marriage and dogs. That's literally the dream life. They're building a future and a furry family. This ends of my video. Don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe here in my channel. See you in my next Freenbecky's update.